Hey everyone, if you are looking for a place that has beautiful homes, top-rated schools, great amenities, then you probably want to live in a master plan community. So stay tuned as we dive into what the heck that is. Master plan communities, they go above and beyond. They have neighborhood trails, they have fitness trails, walking paths, sports courts, playgrounds, resort style pools, everything that you could possibly want. You won't even have to leave your neighborhood. You can do everything you want right here in your neighborhood, and that makes it very convenient. Some of the master builders are custom builders, like today I'm showing you the Toll Brothers and I'm showing you Sitterle, but I've also shown you D.R. Horton and Perry Homes, and those homes are also in some of our master plan communities here in the San Antonio area. So this community is out here, and it's got great access to 1604, good access to 35, which means you can get to Austin very quickly and you can get to downtown San Antonio quickly. Not to mention New Braunfels and Bernie and Bulverde and Canyon Lake and all the great places that you might want to visit if you are living in the San Antonio metropolitan area. If you want a home that is safe and vibrant and has 24/7 security and is most of the time gated, then a master plan community is for you. If this is the first time that you've ever been to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe and that you tap that bell in order to get all of the notifications about the San Antonio metropolitan area. It doesn't matter if you're moving today or 5 months from now, whatever it is, I want to make sure that I help you make that smooth transition. Now, I have people reach out to me all the time about what do I need to do to make sure that I get the best deal for my house, because this is your biggest investment. Well, guys, first of all, you got to get a good realtor, and that would be me. So, okay, that's done. Next, we need to talk to you. I need to talk with you. You need to fill out a comment. You need to call me. You need to send me an email. We have got to get together and decide, first of all, what's the location that you need? Do you want it based on good schools? Do you want it based on your job? Do you want it based on country living? Are you a retiree? Are you a VA? Or are you just starting out and want a great place to raise your family? Any of those options I can help with, so make sure that you reach out to me today. My name is Jana Cervantes, and I'm with eXp Realty, Cervantes Dream Homes, and today we are talking about master planned communities. There are master planned communities everywhere we go in the San Antonio metropolitan area. It doesn't matter if it's McQueenie, Marion, Seguin, Garden Ridge, Live Oak, San Antonio, south side of San Antonio, whatever it is, we have master planned communities. And so I wanted to talk with you. I'm here today at one, and it is beautiful. It is over here in the northeast side and Enchanted Park, and this place, I'm going to show you two custom homes. They're both over $1 million. Not all of our master plan communities are that high. We do have some affordable ones, but master plan communities, what are they? Well, they are thoughtfully designed neighborhoods, and they not only offer homes, they offer walking trails, schools, shopping, eateries, resort style living at your doorstep. And that's what a master plan community is. One of the reasons that people like it is because their schools are right here in their community, and that's very important to them. And that's what I think you've got to decide if that's what you're looking for. The master community that I am showing you right now is called Enchanted Bluff, and it is on the northeast side of San Antonio, and you can see the home that we're fixing to go into. It is by the Toll Brothers here, and it starts at 1.1 million and has 3,800 square feet. You can see it's got a sitting area, really pretty. I love the landscaping. Nice big beautiful door, covered area porch, some architecture on the roof, very pretty. Let's go see what this big beautiful $1 million home has to offer. Okay, as we enter in the house, you can see it comes right into some windows. We're going to take a left here. We've got a hallway closet. It's gorgeous. Lots of storage. Again, this home is 3,800 square feet. Another open closet. Really going to make sure your closets are clean. Nice high ceilings. Look at the light. Here we've got their own shower, walk-in shower, tiled all the way to the floor, single vanity, and a really large closet. Such a pretty home. Okay, right here across from here, we come in here, we have another bedroom with their own bath, walk-in shower, single vanity, and another large closet. Again, this home's 3,800 square feet, starts at 1.1 million. Here, we make our way into another bedroom with a large walk-in closet and their separate bathroom, single vanity. Love the tile work in that one, very pretty. We'll keep going. We're gonna come back out into the main hallway and we've got an office area right here. You can see this is our entry. So right here to the right, we've got a really large office with beautiful built-ins, lots of windows. Then we're gonna make our way towards the kitchen area and we come into a theater room. And right across from that, we have a half bath. Coming into this gorgeous living space, I've got vaulted ceilings. Look at that. Nice, beautiful fireplace with a focus area. Large island / breakfast bar. Beautiful stove, gas community. Lots of storage space here. And behind the kitchen, we've got the bar area. Could be coffee, I prefer whiskey, but whatever. Then we come here, we've got a mud area, access to the 3-car garage, a really pretty laundry room. Lots of upgrades in this home. Here we have a walk-in pantry. Very nice. We're gonna come to you can see here, it is a gas community, really nice chef style. We're gonna come right here and we're gonna go into the primary bedroom. Look at the architecture on there. Wow, look at the windows. Lots of room. Primary bath coming in. Woo! Large walk-in closet. One vanity here. Walk-in shower for 15 people. Standalone tub, another vanity there. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at this closet. Wow. Love it. And then of course, even the $1 million homes have to have a toilet area. So, show you outside. Many levels of sitting. We've got a fire pit out there. We've got an outdoor kitchen. Look at that, fridge, barbecue, storage areas. And over here, we have a lanai. And then we have another sitting area up there. So lots of space for outdoor entertaining here in this beautiful Texas weather. Here's that other sitting area that is covered. Also got a fireplace out here. Nice open living area. This house is just ridiculous. And that's what we have here, guys. 3,800 square feet, 1.1 million. Toll Brothers here in Enchanted Bluff, which is a master community. This is a Sitterle home, and it is also obviously a custom built home here in Enchanted Bluff, which is again a master plan community. What a gorgeous house. Let's go see it. You can see here we have an outdoor living patio. Look at that. This is the front of the house. Gorgeous. We're coming into the house and we walk straight into the front doors and you've got a wall of windows. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. You can see the patio out there. That's where I would be living, with the outdoor kitchen and the fireplace. I know you're thinking, why do we need a fireplace in Texas? Guys, last week it snowed. So don't give me any crap about that. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, look at the fireplace. Just a gorgeous area. So let's go to the right of this fireplace and let's see what we have here. Okay. Hallway closet storage. Awesome. Oh, what a beautiful room. Look at this. High ceilings, architecture. Love the wall. Again, lots of natural light. This window has an awning, you can see. We go here into our primary bathroom with our standalone tub with the gold fixtures. Love it. Large walk-in shower for about 4 people. That would be weird though, so no. Another vanity. Large walk-in closet. Oh yeah. Look at that. And of course, the toilet area. Very pretty. Very, very nice. We come back in, I want to show you here, give you a little more detail in the kitchen. Large island with storage under there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. It's got plenty of room for your bar stools. Large chef kitchen with a grill. Oh, love that. My husband can make me some really good food. Large dining area. Come back here. There's our stairway, which we'll go up in just a second. But here we've got another hallway closet. This house is about 4,000 square feet and goes for about 1.1 million. Beautiful, full bathroom, shower tub combo. Let's go ahead and go upstairs since I'm on this side of the house. And this house, it's a trek to get somewhere, which, who wants to clean it? You better get somebody. Okay. Coming up the stairways, lots of natural light. Coming into a flex space. And making our way, we have a closet, attic, full bath, shower tub combo. Very pretty. Nice bedroom. And lots of storage. So, nice little area upstairs. Mother-in-law, teenager, college kid. And we're gonna go to this side of the kitchen. Here we have another pantry, wine, apparently. Love it. Oh, look at this. What a cute room. It's got a little area over there, maybe some yoga. Got its own bathroom, tall shower, single vanity, walk-in closet. And we come here. Hallway closet. Lots of space in this 4,000 square foot home. Here we have another living area with a wine bar, a sink. Here we have a full bathroom, shower, lots of amenities. And we make our way back to the fireplace. So that's our focal point, and then we're gonna come to the left. So here on the left, we've got a half bath, a hallway closet, a little bar area, wine cooler, wine chiller, fridge. We have a study, double doors, like the black, double door study. Come here, we've got our laundry room, which is the size of some bedrooms. We've got a bedroom. And another garage. Oh, that makes sense, y'all. So this is the garage, but since this is a model home, this is where it will be, but it will be a 3-car. So this is your 2-car garage area. And on the other side that I showed you, that's the single. So yes. So whatever the type of community it is, and whatever the location is here in the San Antonio metropolitan area, I want to help you find your dream home, and I want to help you move stress-free, which isn't easy. I have great lenders, great title company, and I know all of the ins and outs of the education system here in the San Antonio area, as well as the great builders. So reach out to me. I can't wait to meet you. See you in Texas, y'all.